Two global finance leaders. One must-have choice. Braintree versus Payoneer. Which one really delivers? On the left, Braintree, the global payment gateway powering seamless e-commerce. And on the right, Payoneer, multi-currency payouts for global businesses and freelancers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So, check this out. A little mind map. We're looking at international reach, payment methods, fees, features and integrations, usability and support, and of course, best for. Each one tells a different side of the payment story. So let's jump right into international reach. All right, first up, international reach. So Braintree is pretty impressive. It's supporting 45 plus countries, all the big credit cards, and tons of platforms. But honestly, it's super merchant focused. If you're a store owner, you're loving it. But if you're a freelancer, it's not really built for you. Now, Payoneer, this is where it flexes hard. We're talking payouts to like over 200 countries. You can even get local accounts in the US, Europe, the UK, and more. Pretty wild, right? But small catch. It's not actually a payment gateway for merchants. So if you want to collect direct customer payments like a store, not so much. But for global reach, Payoneer definitely steals the spotlight here. Let's talk payment methods. And oh boy, Braintree really brings it. You've got cards, you've got all the cool wallets, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal already built in. It's honestly a dream for anyone running checkouts. The only little bummer is you can't do mass payouts to freelancers and contractors from here. Now, Payoneer spins it differently. You can get paid in or withdraw out to your local bank, or send payment requests to clients. Not a traditional checkout at all, though. So if you want a slick payment button for your online store, it's not here. In this category, Braintree is definitely taking the win. Let's get to what everyone cares about. Fees. Braintree, first, no setup charges, simple per-transaction pricing. That's sweet, right? But, those cross-border fees and currency conversions, they can stack up if you've got a global audience. On the flip side, Payoneer comes in with no setup fee too, mass payouts, actually solid FX rates for currency changes, and low-cost transfers for freelancers and small businesses. Only caveat, it's possible your bank withdrawal might come with an extra fee depending on where you live. But overall, Payoneer feels lighter on the wallet, especially for international payouts. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Payoneer is behind massive payouts for giants like Amazon, Upwork, and Airbnb? And get this, Braintree is what powers Uber and Airbnb's entire checkout flow. Yeah, these aren't just small players. They're handling money at a massive scale. Features and integrations. Let's geek out for a second. Braintree is a full-stack beast. Fraud protection, API galore for all you developers watching, and subscription billing is built right in. The only hitch? It does ask for some tech know-how to get advanced stuff working. Meanwhile, Payoneer's all about international accounts and mass payouts. Super handy for marketplaces, but if you need an e-commerce gateway all-in-one solution, it falls a little short. So if you want the kitchen sink, Braintree's your pal here. Usability and support. Here's where things get interesting. Braintree's super straightforward, but honestly, it kind of assumes you're either a dev or running a SaaS company. If you're a smaller client, support can be a bit hit or miss. With Payoneer, though, the onboarding's easy. Freelancers and SMBs are totally at home, and the multi-language support, that's a lifesaver around the world. Sometimes there are account verifications or delays, but nothing too crazy. Overall, Payoneer takes the cake for user-friendliness. And finally, who's best for? Braintree. Oh man, it's e-commerce heaven, and SaaS teams are going to love the subscription stuff. Not for mass payouts, though. Meanwhile, Payoneer shines for freelancers, digital nomads, affiliate marketers, the works. Just maybe not your go-to if you need real card processing. Honestly, this one's a toss-up. Totally depends on what you need. So, quick visual recap. If you look at our neat little radar chart, Payoneer's got strengths in global reach, usability, and fees. Braintree is killing it on payment methods, features, and for those SaaS and e-commerce needs. Yep, it's that split. Here's my take. If you're building an online store or a SaaS platform and want all the payment bells and whistles, Braintree is honestly hard to beat. But if you're a freelancer, agency, or just want to handle mass, global, multi-currency payouts, Payoneer is literally built for you. Did this help you pick your payment provider? Cool. Well, hit that follow because I've got more tech and fintech mashups coming